Good morning students, myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class Silverbacks. This is your textbook children, Hope, Skip and Jump, Nursery Literacy Skills. So children, please open your textbook and page number 46. So today we will start from letter K. What we will learn today? How to write letter K. K for kite. K for king. K. K for kite. K for king. So children, हमें के लेटर बनाने के लिए 3 लाइन की ज़रूरत है. 1 स्टैंडिंग लाइन, 1 राइट स्लांटिंग लाइन and 1 left slanting line. Okay, so here you can see picture, a kite pictures. So you have to color this picture. Okay, K for kite. K for kite. Okay, so in this part you have to color in this. Okay, now come to next page 47. Here trace the letter K and small k. This is capital K and small k. Capital K and small k. This is capital K and this one small k. Capital and small. Trace the letters capital K and small k with your finger. Let's start children. Here we have to trace this. So first of all we will trace with our finger. Okay, 1 slant, 1 standing line. In the middle we will draw a right slanting line. Which line? Right slanting line. Then here we will start and we will draw left slanting line. Standing line, right slanting line and left slanting line. Okay, K for key. K for key. Now we will trace this. So first of all we will go slowly like this and we will trace over these dotted line like this. Okay, so you will trace this letter. Which letter children? Letter K. Which letter is this? Letter K. K for key. K for key and K for kite. K for kite. K for key. K for key. Okay, so like this we will trace this letter K. Which letter is this? Capital K. Capital K. K for key. K for key. Now come to small letter K. Small letter K. K for cattle. K for cattle. So here same we will start 1 standing line. In middle we will draw small right slanting line and left slanting line. Okay, so like this standing line. Then we will draw small right slanting line. Then in downward we will draw left slanting line. And this letter is small k. Okay, which letter is this children? Small k. Capital K and small k. Capital K and small k. So how we will write letter K, children? First of all, we will draw one standing line. Then in middle we will draw right slanting line and then left slanting line. Which letter is this? Letter K. Again we will start standing line, right slanting line and left slanting line. This is letter K. Again one standing line, one right slanting line and one left slanting line, like this. Okay, come to small letter K. We will draw one standing line. We will draw where middle to down. Here we will draw one right slanting line and left slanting line, like this. Small k, capital K and small k. Okay, so children, here you will color and you will trace this letter. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Thank you. Have a good day.